Here's a quick unboxing and setup video for this Wolfbox X3 Pro dashcam. If you're serious about protecting your car and yourself, this is a dashcam you want to get. Let's talk about what makes this camera different. First of all, it features a dual starvis2 IMX675 sensor. It also records in 2.5K in both the front and rear cameras. For the front camera, you can either record in 60 frames per second or 30 frames per second. It also features HDR and image stabilizing technology, which means clearer footage in low lights, reduced headlight glare, and less motion blur. So whether you're driving through a dark tunnel or in heavy rain or facing bright headlights at night, it captures sharp license plate and road sign. And that's important because if you're ever in a car accident, clear video can save you time, reduce stress, and potentially save you thousands of dollars. Instead of going back and forth who's at fault, you have a clear, reliable footage that shows you exactly what happened. It has a touchscreen which makes configuration super easy. Here's some actual footage of the front dashcam recording at 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second. Also included is the rear camera that records at 2.5 at 30 frames per second. Now let's talk about frame rate because this is huge. Most dashcam records at 30 frames per second. The X3 Pro records at 60 frames per second. So why is that important? Well, with 60 frames per second, you're doubling the visual information that you capture every second. That means smoother footage, clearer freeze frames, and a much better chance of reading a license plate if there's a hit and run. And if you drive on rough roads, you're really going to appreciate the electronic image stabilization system. It corrects vibrations frame by frame, reducing that shaky jello effect that you see on cheaper camera. But wait, it's not just a camera, it's also a smart co-pilot. It has a built-in ADAS system, which gives you lane departure and forward collision alerts. It also has a built-in GPS antenna that embeds the real-time speed and location directly onto your footage. It also supports 24-hour parking monitoring and time-lapse mode. It efficiently compresses overnight recording while still capturing vandals or hit and run. Accidents can happen to anyone, and when having clear video with smooth motion and built-in GPS data, it can make insurance claims faster, help protect you legally, and avoid expensive disputes. If you want a peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel, the Wolfbox X3 Pro dashcam gives you powerful, reliable protection in one compact system that's super easy to set up and install.